Hello everyone, are you new on this channel and do you want to learn Spring Boot? Then believe me, you are at the right place. Why I'm saying this? Because if you have interest in learning and developing your Spring Boot application, if you want to learn that how you can develop your RESTful APIs and how you can consume it, then you can quickly subscribe the channel. Again, why I'm saying this? Because if you want to learn that how you can develop your model layer, your repository layer, your DAO layer, your service layer, your controller layer, then you can easily learn all these concepts by watching tutorials on this channel. And do you want to know that how you can log the application errors in your Spring Boot application? Do you want to know that how you can perform the unit testing by using Junits? Then again, I would like to suggest you to visit the channel and watch the videos so that you will get an enormous opportunities to learn various concepts related to Spring Boot. And if you want to know that how you can do the configurations in your application by using application properties file or by using YAML file, then again there is a video for this particular concept. And if you want to know that how you can secure your application by using Spring Boot, or if you want to monitor the health of your applications by using Actuators, then you can quickly subscribe the channels and you can watch tutorials on this channel, because you will get an enormous opportunities to learn all these concepts, not only theoretically but also with practical examples. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and click on that like button, and friends, you can ask me your doubts and provide me your valuable suggestions by writing in comment section. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.